Hey, I'm Marnie, a show home decorator here at Homes by Abby. I'm constantly finding ways to make a statement in a new home with a creative budget and a tight timeline. With the help of our construction team, I'll be showing you some seriously stylish DIY projects, along with some show home decorator insider tips. Today we're featuring a DIY gallery wall. It's a skill level 2, which means about a 2-hour project and just some simple tools are required. Gallery walls aren't just for boutique art studios anymore. We're constantly using this design trend in our show homes. They're a great way to add personality to almost any space. Today we'll be featuring it in a staircase wall. It's a blank canvas and a great opportunity to showcase this DIY in your home. Here are the materials you'll need to make it happen. Craft paper, spray paint or craft paint, frames, and artwork, varying in size from about 4 inches wide to 12 inches wide, and painter's tape. Tools, it's simple, a hammer and some nails, and a measuring tape if you're into that kind of thing. Step 1, decide on a palette. Look around your house and see what colors you used. This is a great way to figure out what colors to pick for your frames and photos. We like complementary colors that work with what you already have. This house has a Key West theme, so we're using beach and ocean colors. Step 2, pick your pictures. Find frames that are the same depth, so they have a similar profile, because you'll see the edge of the frames as you walk up the stairs. Use all different size frames for a unique and eclectic look. For art, we like family photos or personal mementos. Paper and fabrics are good space filler too. Step 3, paint your frames. If your frames don't go with your palette, just paint them. Take the glass and backing out, and then use spray paint or craft paint to coat. Step 4, lay it out before you hang it up. Put the art in the frames and lay them on the floor to arrange them. Start with the biggest frame as the focal point and work out from there. Remember, you're working in a staircase, so your frame should be arranged in a diagonal line. Step 5, grab your hammer and hang. Now trace the frames in brown paper. Cut out the shapes and then use painter's tape to hang them on the wall the same way you arrange them on the floor. Here's a show home decorator tip. Use a piece of painter's tape on the back of each frame and mark where the hook or wire hangs. Then transfer the tape to the wall and just place the nail where your marks are. After you've placed your nails, just remove the tape. Keep the frames at least 18 to 24 inches above the floor. This will ensure they're approximately at eye level. Step 6, step back and admire your stylish gallery wall. I love this look because you can always swap out photos as your taste changes or whenever you get new family photos. It's a great way to create a really personal space in your home while adding some serious style. You can find step-by-step instructions on our website at abbyurban.com.